Welcome. Today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change your field of view settings in FPS game starter kit. First off, let's go to your saved folder of your project and delete the old saved settings, and then go to content, FPS game, blueprints, game instance, and open the game instance and open the BP settings save. And set the FOV value to whatever you want. Let's say I want 115. Compile, save, and 115 here as well. And compile and save. And navigate back to the character base. And the reason why we did it on the both of them is because it loads the settings like this. If there's nothing to load, it will create something, but it might fetch the default value first. So when you change both of those, it should look like this then. Yeah, this is 115. If you want to override that whole system, you don't, because we are doing this way because the player can adjust his own field of view from the settings in the menu. That's why it has to be like this. And if you want to, for the editor, change it, you have to delete the save file again and change the values on both of these again. If you, however, want to override this and maybe do it on a later time or something, you could go to your base character and to the settings graph and disconnect here and just put on a value that you want. So remember, it was 115, it should be 90 now. Yep, we're back to 90. Let's put this at 45 so we can see a difference. There we go. Alright. And that is basically it.